Welcome, everyone. Today I want to tell you the story of how I improved my English in just 30 days. I did not become perfect in English in 1 month, but I became much better. My speaking, reading, and writing all improved. Most importantly, I became more confident. Here is my full day-by-day diary. Before the 30 days. When I was in class 6, my English was not very strong. I could read, but sometimes I did not understand everything. I could write, but I made many spelling mistakes. I was afraid to speak in English because I thought I would say something wrong and people would laugh. One day, my school announced that there would be an English storytelling competition after 1 month. I wanted to join, but I was nervous. My best friend Max said, "Come on, Ethan. Let's do it together. We can practice every day." That was when I decided, I will improve my English in 30 days. Day 1, the plan. I made a plan. 1. Listen to English, 20 minutes. 2. Learn new words, 20 minutes. 3. Speak English, 20 minutes. I started by watching a short cartoon in English. I wrote down 5 new words. Adventure. Treasure. Secret. Forest. Danger. I looked up their meanings and made simple sentences. Before sleeping, I listened to an English song. Day 2, listening again. I watched another cartoon, this time about a girl and her magic pen. I wrote down 5 new words. Magic. Draw. Picture. Wish. Fly. I made sentences with them. At lunch, I tried speaking English with Max for 5 minutes. I felt shy, but I did it. Day 3, talking to myself. Today I talked to myself in English while brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. The toothpaste tastes minty. I like my toothbrush. It felt silly, but it helped me think in English. I also recorded myself reading a short paragraph. I listened and found where I needed to improve. Day 4, reading starts. I borrowed a simple storybook from the library, Ben's Big Day. I read 1 chapter. There were some new words, but I guessed the meaning from the pictures. Day 5, my first journal. At night, I started writing a small journal. I wrote, "Today was sunny. I played football with Max. We scored 3 goals. I ate chicken rice for lunch." Day 6, speaking more. At lunch, I told Max a short story in English. He understood me but corrected 2 words. I thanked him. I watched a short English movie in the evening. Day 7, end of week 1. After 1 week, I had learned 35 new words. I felt happy. Listening was getting easier. Day 8, new challenge. I decided to increase my speaking time to 15 minutes a day. I told my family about my day in English during dinner. Day 9, reading more. I read 2 chapters of my storybook. I learned. River. bridge, path, stone, shadow. Day 10, acting in English. Max and I acted out a short scene from a story. We laughed a lot, but it was fun. Day 11, writing better. In my journal, I tried to write longer sentences. Instead of, I played football, I wrote, I played football with Max after school. We ran fast and laughed a lot. Day 12, listening to news. I listened to a short English news clip for children. I understood most of it. Day 13, talking to my teacher. I spoke to my English teacher in English for the whole break. She was happy and encouraged me. Day 14, end of week 2. 2 weeks done. My confidence in speaking was much better. Day 15, new storybook. I borrowed a new book, The Clever Rabbit. I read 1 chapter. I also learned 5 new words. Day 16, story practice. I chose The Lion and the Mouse for the competition story. I read it many times. Day 17, speaking without book. I tried to tell The Lion and the Mouse without looking at the book. I forgot some parts, but I tried again. Day 18, adding actions. I added actions and expressions to my storytelling. This made it more fun. Day 19, speaking to the mirror. I practiced in front of the mirror so I could see my face and body movements. Day 20, reading aloud. I read a whole chapter aloud to my parents. They clapped for me. Day 21, end of week 3. I could speak in English for 10 minutes without stopping. I had learned over 100 new words. Day 22, full practice. I told the whole story of The Lion and the Mouse to Max without mistakes. Day 23, timing myself. I used a timer to check how long I spoke. I took 4 minutes to tell the story. Day 24, teacher feedback. Mrs. Wong listened to my story and said, "Ethan, speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush." Day 25, extra words. I learned 10 more words about animals for my story. Day 26, recording my story. I recorded my whole story and listened to it. I fixed small mistakes. Day 27, big practice. I practiced in front of my parents and Max. They clapped loudly. Day 28, no mistakes. I told the story without forgetting any part. Day 29, final touch. I practiced with full energy, smiling and using my hands. Day 30, competition day. I was nervous but ready. On stage, I spoke clearly and confidently. People laughed at the funny parts and clapped at the end. I won 3rd prize. I was so proud.